知道嗰個點解要用 passive voice 之後咧，我哋又點樣去將 active voice 轉為 passive voice 咯？我哋第一樣嘢要做嘅係將 active sentence 裏邊嗰個 object 搬去變成 subject。第二樣嘢，加入一個正確嘅 to be 嘅 form。第三係加入正確嘅 past participle of the main word。第四 optional 係咪要省略咗 by the doer？ 好啦，睇例句啦。Seven tenses 點樣由 active voice 轉做 passive voice？ Simple present， The servant cleans the room every day。 Simple present 我哋用 is am are 加 past participle。 The room is cleaned by the servant 可以減省 every day。 The room is cleaned every day。 Present continuous， The servant is cleaning is am are ing 改成 is am are being 加嗰個 past participle。 The room is being cleaned now by the servant 可以減省。 Past tense， The servant cleaned the room yesterday 改為 was were 加 past participle。 The room was cleaned yesterday by the servant 可以減省。 Past continuous， The servant was cleaning the room all yesterday afternoon 我哋改成 The room was being cleaned all yesterday afternoon by the servant 可以減省。 Present perfect， The servant has cleaned the room 個 shape 又點呢？變成 has been 或者 have been 再加 past participle。 The room has been cleaned by the servant 可以減省。跟住 past perfect， The servant had cleaned the room before the guests came。 Past perfect 就比較簡單啦，因為只係得 had been 再加 past participle。 The room had been cleaned before the guests came by the servant 可以減省。 Simple future， The servant will clean the room tomorrow 變成 will be or shall be plus past participle。 The room will be cleaned tomorrow by the servant 可以減省。另外，如果啲句子運用到 modal verb should、must、may， 我哋係保留翻個 modal verb， 再加個 be 字喺後邊。例如 The servant should clean the room before 5， 我哋係改成 The room should be cleaned before 5， 而嗰個 by the servant 亦都係可以減省嘅。A simple recap， 將 active voice轉為 passive voice 嗰陣時候，第一個步驟將個 object 搬到去 subject 嗰個位。第二個步驟加入助動詞 be 嘅正確嘅 form。第三個步驟加入 main verb 嘅 past participle， 而原來嘅 subject 我哋喺前邊加一個 by 字。當然呢一個加唔加係 optional， 大部分 passive voice 嘅句子都可以減省咗佢嘅。